Let's go through the installation steps for your ready meal tray sealer. Inside the box, you will find your tray sealer securely wrapped, a power cord, a roll holder set, and a manual. Lift the machine by the front handle and the bar on the back. Press down the handle and remove the clips on both sides. The sealer lid will now open automatically. Using a 4mm Allen key, loosen the screws at the rear of the machine. Assemble the 4 roll holder components by placing the 2 cylinders in between the 2 roll holder frames. Then you have to position them over the screw heads and retighten the 4 screws. Install the lidding film. Place the film roll on the roll holder with the start of the film facing up. Feed the film under the film holder and over the film grips. Make sure the film is smooth and properly aligned to avoid any issues during sealing. Your ready meal tray is now fully set up and ready to use. For any further assistance, feel free to contact our customer support team. Thank you for choosing Pac Food.